Hello, I'm Haya, CEO of aivideoediting Workshop. We create innovative AI solutions for businesses worldwide.
What makes aivideoediting unique in this crowded market? Let me show you our live dashboard demo to highlight what sets us apart.
Our platform increases productivity by 45% using intelligent workflows.
That's impressive. What's your roadmap for scaling this globally?
Here's our growth forecast. By next year, we'll expand into 3 new continents with strategic partnerships.
This is promising. I'm ready to discuss terms.
We're thrilled to have you on board.
We're excited to partner with aivideoediting.
Welcome to this demo on how to create a cinematic video.
We're going to dive into how Google Nano and Gemini, ChatGPT, and Google Flow are revolutionizing cinematic video production.
Step 1. Open Google Chrome and search for Google Nano. Step 2. Select the first link and on the home page, click Try Gemini. Step 3. Once on the Gemini page, click the plus icon, choose Image with Nano, and upload your AI model image. Step 4. Enter the prompt. A woman presenting an idea in front of 4 board members. Gemini will instantly generate the image. Step 5. Download the generated image to your system. Now, switch to ChatGPT. Here, we'll generate the JSON code for 5 separate scenes. Copy the JSON for the first scene. Scene 3. Go back to Chrome and search for Google Flow. Step 1. Launch the Google Flow homepage and click Create with Flow. Step 2. On the Flow dashboard, select New Project. Step 3. From the drop-down, choose Frame to Video. Step 4. Upload the image you downloaded earlier, paste the JSON code for Scene 1, and click Submit. Step 5. Flow will start generating the scene. Step 5. Flow will start generating the scene. Move the cursor to the end of the video and click Save and Add Scene. Step 7. Return to ChatGPT, copy the JSON for Scene 2, and paste it into Flow. Wait for the auto-generated frames to appear, then select the latest image. Step 7. Return to ChatGPT, copy the JSON for Scene 2, and paste it into Flow. Repeat this process until all 5 scenes are created. Final step. Once complete, download the full video. Open the file to watch your cinematic project come to life. This is how you can generate a cinematic experience step by step using Nano, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Flow.